How to schedule a message on Facebook Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be seeing how you can easily schedule a message on Facebook Messenger. Let's just get started. So if you head over to Messenger and like other messaging apps, if you try to schedule a message by writing something and long pressing on the send button, nothing is going to happen. You're not able to schedule message from the app itself. So what you need to do is go over to Play Store and search for an app, a scheduler app. Then you just have to search for it. Now you can find this app called Skedit. It's automatic message scheduler. Tap on install. Once the app is installed, just open it up and you can easily schedule your message here. First, you can skip your sign-in process if you want. I'll just get right into the app. Tap on I understand. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right. Then select what you want to schedule a message in. You can find Messenger here. Just tap on it. Then from here, you can easily select your recipient, add your message here, select your attachments, and then finally you have your date. Select your date when you want to send the message, tap on OK, and you'll be good to go. Now from here you can add the plus icon, tap on Messenger, and tap on check requirements, enable accessibility for all, and you should be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you schedule a message in Facebook Messenger. If this was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.